Amayo! Amayo!
Please, you are awake.
You have to take me to my father.
I will, my prince. But I need to have you dress up first. Because the king is with a guest.
Anayo. Ono is not a guest. You have to take me to my father. Prepare me now.
Yes, my prince. Right away. Greetings, the queen mother.
Greetings, my prince. Son, you already awake?
Yes, mother.
How was the night?
Fine, mother. Uju knows how to make you look radiating, mother. You look so beautiful.
Thank you, son. Where are you going?
I must see my father, His Majesty. There's something pressing I need to discuss with him.
Something pressing?
Anayo, let's go.
Oh, yes. I expect you to get.
Brother,
Let me call you back, okay? Ilochi, how are you?
I feel better and stronger.
Oh. Oh.
The day is bright
Of course, it is.
and promising. But I can feel a dark cloud moving around. I can feel the season of pestilence. But I don't know when and why. My prince, my brother.
Ilochi, what are you talking about? For crying out loud, you sound mysterious. What are you talking about? How do you mean a dark cloud hovering?
Anayo, let's go.
Ilochi, you did not answer my question. How do you mean dark cloud?
But Your Highness, have you seen anyone that you want to marry?
That is exactly what I was telling you. She's the daughter of Edward, the primary school headmaster.
That will be touchy, because the headmaster has only one daughter.
That is her. She's the one.
She's a good girl with good moral behavior. She will make a good wife to you, that I believe. You know you have eyes in good ladies, Your Majesty.
Oh no, you can say that again.
Your Majesty, Prince Ilochi waits outside.
Let him in.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Son, what brings you to the throne room?
Father, I must speak with you. Alone.
Whatever you have to say, go ahead and say it before Unowu. He is your uncle, and that makes him family.
The prince knows that already. But if you want me to leave you too, that is to say, the thing you want to discuss with the Majesty is secretive. I can leave.
It's okay. You can stay. Father, please don't do it. The maiden you are planning to take as your wife, please don't do it.
How do you even know that I intend to take another wife? I have never discussed this with anyone except your uncle Onowu just now, and he has approved of it. Ilochi, how did you know about this secret?
Father, I am begging you, please don't do it. Not for anything, but for the good of this kingdom and the royal household.
Oh yeah. You look upset. What is it?
I will tell you when you return.
Well then, I am running late. When I return then.
Your Majesty, Queen Janet is at the entrance.
Let her in. Hello, how are you doing?
Oh, Your Highness.
Are you leaving already?
Yes.
It has been long since he came around.
Your Highness.
How are you doing, my dear?
Bad. So bad. You gave me a bounced check.
That is not true.
I was humiliated today in the bank, and that was not funny.
Do you have the check with you? Let me see. I'm sorry. I forgot to sign the back of the check. But you should have given me a call the moment they rejected the check at the bank. Give me a pen.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry about that. I would like you to spend the night at my chambers.
Okay, Your Highness. Excuse me.
This prince, this young prince, what are you? Are you a clairvoyance? But it doesn't look like one. This is terrible.
Doji, tell me the truth. This rumor I'm hearing, tell me, is it true?
What rumor are you hearing? I don't get you.
Is it true you are going to become His Royal Majesty's third wife? I thought you said you loved me. What about the love we share for each other? I thought we have a future together. Please.
Look, Pascal, listen. I love you with all my heart. But look at you, are not ready for marriage, are you? I am a woman. I am not getting any younger. Can't you see?
Tochi, you know I am working hard to make a living. You know I am working hard to be better than the way I am today. Please, don't marry him. Wait for me, and I am going to treat you as my queen. Please.
I'm sorry, Pascal. You have a long way to have an empire, but I will rule as a queen.
Tochi.
Ah! Dutch, why's your face like that? What happened?
Papa, is it not Pascal? Pascal will not let me be in this village. Am I the only one in a relationship? Papa, Pascal is harassing my life. He will not let me be.
Is that why your face is like this? Pascal Omonwa. Eh? I am the one that gave you permission to marry Igwe Agumba. Because that's the future you duly deserve.
Papa, please. Please. Talk to Pascal because I'm going to give him the insult of his life. I'm going to insult him to the extent that you will never forget it.
What insult Pascal? Eh? Give him the insult of his life. Bia.
What do you want?
Leave us.
No. My servant is going nowhere. Say what brought you. Leave us. Now, why are you here?
I don't like you. And I was never in support of your marriage with my father. But right now, you are the only one. The only one that can save this royal family. And my father.
Now you are confusing me. What are you dragging at?
My father is about to take another wife.
What? And why are you telling me this?
I have this feeling that the season of locust is about to begin in this palace. And the feasting will be perilous. It will be massive. It will be massive. Anayo!
My friends.
Good afternoon, Mama.
So this is the time you are coming back since morning you left this house. Eh, Jessica?
No, Mama, I was looking for dried wood.
May that dryness kill you there. Who are you deceiving? You are coming back from a man's house.
Eh?
Yes!
No, Mama, I didn't go anywhere.
Get out of my sight! Useless pig.
Welcome, my daughter.
Where do you think you are going? Where do you think you are going? Spending or sperm? Eh? Come on, go back and take your bets before you enter my house. Get out of my sight! Go back!
Ugoma, don't you think that you are being too harsh on that girl? She is trying to impress you as much as she can, but you don't seem to value her efforts.
Biaokafo, if you don't want me to eat this food in peace, say so I better leave it for you.
You are calling me Okafor.
Is Okafor not your name?
All I'm saying is that you should take it easy on her. She is also your daughter.
She's not my daughter and would never be. Never! Never! She can't be my daughter.
Your Majesty, is it true that you are planning on getting a third wife?
Who told you that? Who told you that? Oh, he did. He told you.
So it is true. It is true that you are planning on getting a third wife, Your Majesty. What for? Is it that I'm not enough for you that you are planning on getting another one to share you with me, or what?
Oh, shut up your mouth, you psychopath. What were you expecting? After you married him, knowing fully well that I am his wife of so many years, were you expecting him to be faithful to you, not to take another wife? You lie.
Would you stick your tongue out of my affairs? Your opinion is not needed. When I need one, I will call for it.
Well, Janet, I am the king of ancient Amake kingdom. I am a living monarch, and on that premise, I am entitled to marry as many wives as I want.
Oh, really? So this is all you have to say to me? Okay, no problems. I can see that this palace has become too cold for us all. Go ahead, get ready, and we shall see.
What way you going to? Are you blind?
I believe you are enjoying this. For 30 years I've been married to you. I have never a day raised an objection to your words, nor alter any of your decisions. Now look at it. The almighty King Adanma is now being tossed around and threatened by an ordinary maiden. All for what, Your Majesty?
Hold up. Can somebody bring me up to speed as regards what is going on here? Elochi.
The answer you seek is one that will gladden your heart and harden your fellows. Why it rained down misery on everyone.
How dare you talk to me like that? How dare you talk to me like that?
The answer you seek
My son lies with the father. Ask him. Oh, everyone. Everyone. Everyone.
Can you tell me what to do? Okwano be way. I'm Louis family banyo. It is deeper than the ocean, higher than the mountains. Oh, be way. I'm Louis family banyo. Can you tell me what to say? Can you tell me what to do? Okwano be way. I'm Louis family banyo. It is deeper than the ocean, higher than the mountains. No big way, come to live the belly by.
Jessica, wake up.
Thank you, Papa.
Eat something. Then you go inside and rest.
Has she forgotten I told her she would spend the night in my chamber? Who is there? Guard!
Your Majesty!
Send one of those guards to go and fetch Queen Janet.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What do you want?
Tell your mistress that His Highness wants to see her in his room right now.
Tell His Majesty that my mistress will be with him, but not this moment. She's taking a bath, and after that, I'll prepare her for the night. She will come and be with His Majesty.
Alright then.
I hope she gets back on time before the king comes by himself.
What happened today? You were upset over it.
At first, your father told me.
The king of America and Shiv Kingdom.
Well, he gave me a bounce check. So I was fully waited at the bank today. Only for me to get back here and learn he's taking another wife.
Then you became jealous. You are jealous he's taking another wife, whereas you are. What? What? And where are you going?
Go and tell Queen Janet that if she keeps me waiting for the next minute, I will punish her according to the royal law.
There won't be need for that, Your Highness.
Leave us.
Your Majesty.
I never said I won't grace my husband's bed tonight, Your Highness. Why sending a maid servant to fetch me as if I'm a cowgirl?
I thought you were angry with me because of what happened earlier today.
Yes. I was angry. I'm still angry. But that cannot stop me from fulfilling my marital obligations. My husband.
Are you alright?
I am fine. You can go back to your room. The night is still far and dark.
Oh no, my prince. I'll have to stay here to watch you sleep.
I am not feeling sleepy anymore. I am urging you.
I'm sorry, my prince. I will have to disobey you this time. I need to be here to watch you sleep. Please.
Okay, fine. Can you just sit and stop making me feel uncomfortable?
Okay, my prince.
Uncle, my father, the king, already have 2 wives. What will he benefit from taking more wives? Aside the financial burden, do you people even consider the effect of polygamous homes?
Prince Ilochi, you are still a child. And you will not understand the ways of our father. Your father, the king, who is my brother, is not just a king, but the king of American ancient kingdom. He is free to marry more than 10 wives.
I know, Uncle, but please, you have to talk him out of this one. Because the rain that is coming will be salty.
Here you confuse me again. I have noticed you usually say things that are not real and yet to be. How do you usually know of them? Especially, who told you your father is about to take another wife?
I just know them.
Tell me, are you a clairvoyant?
Uncle, I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay. Since you don't know, I am sorry there is nothing I can do. Your father is the king, and the kings does what they want.
Stop.
Tochi. What is it, Tochi?
My prince. Do you know them? Should I go fetch them?
No. Let's go.
Oh.
Your Majesty, you'll soon be back. Please, while you wait, let me offer you some drink. That will not be necessary. Do you have any idea where she went to? So I can send my guards to go and fetch her immediately.
Hey! How dare you this thing? Embarrass my daughter like that. Wait. Don't you know where your limit ends? Who is it? Who are you? Young man.
Good day, Your Majesty.
Shut up! And listen. I don't know what your history with Tochi is. And I don't care to know. But I want you to take this word of advice. Stay away from her. She is not your class. And next time I see you anywhere around her, the story will not be the same. Now get out of my presence. Get out!
I've heard you, Your Majesty. I'm sorry for the incident. It will never happen again.
Better not happen again. What of Mando?
Can you tell me what to say? Can you tell me what to do?
A total of 1,000 naira goods. If you like, drop it somewhere. Go about following men. If you come back to this house without selling this thing, you know what I can do. Of course you know me.
Mama, I am hungry.
You are what? You are hungry. Come on, carry it, useless girl. Carry it, come on, carry it and get out of here. You are hungry. Look at her mouth. Idiot, foolish girl, useless girl. That's why you don't know anything. All you know is to gallivant with men. Look at her. You are hungry. You are hungry. Come and eat me. Carry it and get out of my sight. I'm only trying to be a good mother. After now, people will start saying that I'm wicked, I'm this, I'm that. Why I'm trying to play a motherly role to accommodate you. Foolish and useless girl.
Girls are so wicked. They are so wicked and heartless. Now, so after everything you've done for her and her father, they still have the mind to treat you in this manner. Diego. Fear women. I love that girl. I love her. Pascal, I know you love her, but listen to me. You have to let her go. She is the poison that will kill you. Yes, she does not deserve you. You have to let her go. Let her go. Nonso, so you think it is that easy to let her go? It is not. Can't you understand? Pascal, I understand. I know it's not easy. But let me get your point. Are you trying to fight His Majesty over a girl, you know that is a suicide mission. Now, it's not possible. If you are tired of living, Pascal, go in there, take a rope and hang yourself. Now. And so, you will not understand.
Have you fallen in love before? Have you fallen in love before? I love that girl.
Apple love, Idiego love that.
Okay. Now that we have fixed the date, inform your kinsmen, because I will be living with her on that day as my bride.
Igwe, you have nothing to worry about.
My dear, make sure you use that money I gave you and get yourself some new clothes. You must start dressing like Igwe Agumba's bride. You know, exhibit some royalty in your dressing code. All right?
Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
I will do as you said.
Igwe, I'll be going now. You live forever.
Thank you.
Hi.
To say, baby, you tell me what to do. I wanna be baby.
What happened?
Your Majesty, she just crossed the car now and I almost hit her.
Go and see if she's hurt.
Yes, ma'am.
Young lady, why do you run in front of the car? Do you want to die?
I am sorry, I didn't see your car.
Will you pack out this and leave this place before the Majesty gets here?
Young girl, what happened?
I am sorry, Your Majesty. I didn't see your car coming. I was trying to...
Enough. Why is a beautiful young maiden like you hawking on the street when you should be in school? It's okay. Stop crying.
Well, I'm sorry about last night. I shouldn't have laughed at you. You deserve to be happy.
I'm sorry too. I shouldn't have disrespected you in that manner. I'm sorry for walking out on you. Forgive me.
Well, then that makes us even. Yes, I don't know about you, but I'm free. I don't know if you're busy with anything at the moment.
No, not at all. I have nothing doing at the moment. Just playing with my phone.
Well, then why don't you go out and play some games? The palace is actually boring.
Yeah, you're right. I wonder what is going on. Everywhere is quiet. Okay, I'm game.
Let's go get some water. After you. Open it up. Hold on. Hold on.
Okay. Okay, stop.
It's your turn. You don't like him?
He seems to me like a dark shade of mystery.
Well, he's a nice guy. I think when you get to know him, you'll like him. He has a good heart.
He doesn't like me either. He said it himself. Do you think he knows we're seeing each other?
Well, you see, as a matter of fact, no one in this palace knows anything about us, except for... Oh yes, you did, right? Nobody knows anything. But wait a second, are you asking this question because of what he said the other day?
Yes. And he even said it before everyone.
Well, it was something said out of anger. Yes, I'm sure he did not mean it. Oh yes, he never meant it. And he did not say we are seeing each other like we are sleeping with each other. If he had said such a thing before my father would have my head on a platter. Oh, come on. Let's continue with the game. Pick two.
Huh?
Yeah.
How can you say pick two?
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm not telling you to pick two right now. Pick two.
It's okay. One PJ, stop crying. You will take me to that your stepmother.
No, Your Majesty.
Don't worry about it. You're going to be fine. Walk well.
Your Majesty.
Drive straight to her place. Let me see that Jezebel that will subject this Nubian beauty to slavery. You'll be fine.
Chai. So my daughter will get married to Igwagunda. Chai. What is true? That kingdom come. That's how it goes. So later. What a fortune.
Ah.
Papa.
My daughter.
Papa, seriously, I have been thinking. Papa, seriously, I have been thinking. I mean, how we've been cruel to Pascal. Yes. Considering the fact that he has done a lot for us in the past. Papa, I think we should just compensate him. Like a payout. You know? At least for that money that Igwa Gumba gave us. Let's give him some money. As a payout. You understand? Knowing fully well that we don't have anything again to do with him. Knowing, you know now, you're going to sadden.
I think you're right, my daughter.
In that case, I'll have to see him tomorrow, first thing in the morning.
Okay.
But that will be the last time we talk about him in this house.
Oh, come on, Papa. You don't have to worry. You know how much I want to be a queen of this land. You know how much I crave for royalty. I want to marry King Agumba.
You can say that again.
Yes, to change my style.
But you should have it at the back of your mind that this is determination. And you have to work it out. But let me tell you something. Determination without faith is dead.
Papa, trust me. My determination is the key.
Abby?
I'm determined, Papa. Let's
I
change
trust
our
you.
now.
I know what you can
Let
do.
people know about our stature.
I
in this
think
village.
you are talking. At least we'll change this place.
Yes, as a royalty.
Headmaster, do you know you are very wicked? Yes, you and your daughter are wicked and evil. I remember when the government did not pay you for 18 months. It was I who made sure that you and your ungrateful daughter had something to eat. I did all sorts of menial jobs just to feed your ungrateful souls. And you are here telling me rubbish.
Pascal, don't make it look that difficult. Yes, I realize you did all these things for us. But you should have at the back of your mind that it is not written anywhere that you must marry Tochi, my daughter. It is not written anywhere.
My friend, listen. You must be very wicked and heartless at the same time. Eh? You are very wicked.
No, sir. I will appreciate you stay out of this because it does not concern you in any form.
It has everything to do with me. Pascal, my friend here, is still owing me some money of which he used to feed you and your hungry family.
Pascal, this is 12,000. I think you can use this and start something and move on because my daughter has moved on as well.
Headmaster, I am not hungry and despicable like you and your ungrateful daughter. I am not. You know what? Take your money and leave my house. Leave my house. But one thing is sure. A day shall come when judgment shall stand against you and your ungrateful, wicked daughter.
Well, if you don't want the money, no problem. Don't say I'm not considerate. I'll give you back your money.
That's your money. Yeah, why you sister? Move now. Move now. Come on, why you sister? Oscar, calm down. You did the right thing by not accepting the money. Okay? Now. You did the right thing, bro. Let's go inside.
Hey! Come here! Come here! Is that your duty post?
Yes.
I ask again. Is that your duty post?
Yes.
So you have nothing to do this morning? Huh? Well, since you have nothing to do, kneel down. Kneel down! And since you have nothing to do, let me give you girls something to do. You are going to kneel here until evening. Is that understood? Till it's evening. Stupid.
What did you do to deserve this punishment from him?
He caught us here discussing, Your Highness.
Just discussing?
Yes, Your Highness.
Patrick, why should we leave them under the scorching sun like that?
And how dare you call me by my first name?
How dare you?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my prince. But that is inhuman. It's inhuman to leave them under the scorching sun like that for all day. It's not right. Why don't you just look for another punishment and give them than leaving them under the sun?
Well, for your information, they are going to be under that sun until sunset.
What?
You heard me right. Yes. Of course. We're going to settle, yeah?
My husband! Nani! My husband! Come on! You need to see this! It's strange. What have you done?
Welcome, Your Majesty. What brings you to my lonely, humble house? You should have sent for me, instead of coming all the way down here.
Or has my daughter caused harm and brought shame to our dear kingdom, Ameke, Your Majesty?
I don't have much to say to both of you for your callousness towards her. But I want to make this very clear. I don't ever want to see her hawking on the street again. Never! Else, I will severely deal with both of you.
Okay, Your Majesty. I promise it will never happen again. Please.
Remember what I told you. Think about it and get back to me. I am going to send 2 of my servants to fetch you in 2 days. I believe by then you must have given it a deep thought.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Tell me what to do. Oh, one of you way. I'm Louis family band. It is deeper than the ocean.
Oya, start talking. Start talking immediately. Before I beat out the living daylight out from you. Start talking. What did you tell His Majesty about me?
I swear to God, I did not say anything.
You didn't. You didn't say anything. We shall see. We shall see.
It is deeper than the ocean, higher than the mountains. No big way, come to live the belly by.
Who ordered this punishment on this people?
My queen, it is Prince Patrick. He caught them discussing.
And what? Now, stand up and go back to your duty post. What's that? Can't you rush? Oh, take her inside. Take her inside immediately. Oh my God. Patrick, how could you be this wicked? Why did you leave all those servants under the scorching sun? Do you want to kill them?
Well, don't tell me you have released them.
Yes, I have. And as I speak to you now, Chioma is unconscious after being dried up by the sun. Hope nothing happens to her.
Mother, how could you? No, how could you release them? Mother, for crying out loud, I am the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom. Are you trying to tell me that I cannot exercise my authority over my servants?
Patrick, listen to yourself. Are you this wicked? I am telling you that one of the servants' life is at stake. Does that not mean anything to you?
Let her die! For all I care. Shouldn't have released them. Shouldn't have.
My God. Oh my God. Why is my son this heartless?
Your Highness, let me get you something to drink.
I'm fine.
You need it, Your Highness. You need something cool to calm yourself.
I said I am fine!
Tochi, all I'm saying is that you would have found a soft way to make Pascal understand. That's why I've actually tried for you and your father. Leaving him now is very bad. Huh?
Look, I know Pascal really tried for me and my father. I know that. But come to think of it, Pascal stole my virginity. I've been paying him. We've been enjoying ourselves. So what are you even talking about?
Tochi, sex is not everything. If it's actually what he wanted from you, he would have lived a long time ago. But that boy genuinely loves you. And I believe when you live with him, he will make you happy.
You mean he will make me happy?
Yes.
Like happiness?
Yes.
You're talking about happiness? Wait, I'll come. This is it. This is happiness. I mean happiness. What do you think about this?
Tochi,
take a look at this.
How did you get these beautiful clothes?
You like it?
Yes.
It's beautiful, right?
Yes, of course.
I'm glad you like it. Well, Igwe Agumba gave me money for shopping, and I shopped for those beautiful clothes. So this is what we call happiness.
Tochi, happiness differs. And you know it.
Come on, my sister. This is what we call money is happiness. Don't be deceived by this L-O-V-E they call love. No, but here can I call happiness. Money is happiness. Don't you want me to be a queen of this land? Oh, you don't want royalty? Come on, girl.
Yeah, who's that? Come in. Now what is it? What do you want? Say it and leave.
You and I has been fighting lately. I don't like it. I want us to stop.
Well, I think the only way we can stop is see, the only way I think we can stop fighting is this. Yeah, he got me angry today, no doubt.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that.
Wow. Did you hear that one of the maidens?
Good day, Your Highness.
What did I tell you about Tochi? What did I tell you about Tochi?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah? Take him back there and give him 40 lashes with the royal cane.
Your Highness, please, I'm sorry.
Take him!
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
I said take him!
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Are you the only one in this village that knows my queen Tochi?
Please, please. Please.
Please, Mama, can I come and join you? I'm hungry.
You are a fool. When I told you that there is no more food for you in this house, you thought I was joking. So you expect me to use my hard-earned money to be feeding your useless body? It will never happen in this house. Never!
Please, Mama, I'm begging you. I'm hungry.
Jessica, since it's obvious and you know that your father and your stepmother doesn't want you, why not marry me and rule this kingdom with me? Marrying me will be a major advantage for you. You will become my queen and you will be served with anything that you need as my queen. You stand a chance of gaining things that is royalty that other people will not have the opportunity. All you have to do is say yes.
Oh no. Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Are you here to see my husband?
No. I'm here to see her. It must be Jessica. Come. His Royal Majesty, King Agumba, first of Ameke Kingdom, said I should ask you if you have given thought to his proposal.
Tell His Majesty that I've given thought to his proposal. I am going to marry him and become the queen of this land.
Thanks for being full of wisdom. I shall return at once with good news to His Majesty. The ministers will be here to prepare you. Get ready.
Oh no.
My king.
I have been thinking lately. I think I want to take two of them. I mean Jessica and Tochi on the same day. I want to marry both of them on the same day.
You are the king. You can achieve anything you want. Just give the order and it shall be done.
But I don't want any lavish wedding. I want to do it our traditional way.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Greetings, sir.
The antelope said to its offspring, "Beware of the hunter," and he's gone. The offspring turned and asked, "Can't we reason with the hunter?" And he's gone. Father, that was how the antelope left with no offspring. Please, Father, don't bring her.
Ilochi, if you were not my son, I will have you whipped. I will have you whipped real good. Don't you have respect for me anymore?
I am sorry, Father.
Shut up and leave my presence. I do not want to see you in these chambers anymore unless I summon you. Anayo,
Your Highness.
take him away. Like I said, don't you ever enter these chambers. If I ever see him here again, I will have you beheaded. Take him away. What arrogance. What impetus.
Yes, Your Majesty. Who is the antelope and who is the hunter?
Why is no one listening to me?
My prince, I don't know what you heard. But the truth is that you cannot tell the king what to do. Their decisions are usually guided by the gods.
I did not hear anything. I saw it coming. And it is coming with speed.
Now I'm confused. What is actually coming and what is coming with speed?
Anayo, death is coming.
Your Majesty, the lion and the benefactor of Ameke Kingdom, I present to you the beautiful maidens that you have acquired. Tochi Edward, one of the most beautiful maidens of this land.
Your Majesty.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And Jessica Okafor, another rare beauty of this land.
You're welcome. Thank you very much, Ono. My in-laws, you are all welcome to my enclave.
Thank you.
Let me swiftly introduce my family, my noble family. Right beside me is the love of my life, my wife, the queen of this great kingdom, and her name is Sarah. Beside her is my second wife, my beautiful Queen Janet. And next to her is my
What is happening there? I mean, what just happened back there? Why did I have to shoot at us? Listen, I heard you talk about trying to employ my services for something very lucrative. I want to strongly believe it has nothing to do with what happened back then. Because if that's the case, I am not interested.
Relax, okay? Calm down. You're safe with me. Do you hear me? I have a place that I prepared to furnish for one of my boys that was supposed to come back from Puerto Rico. Unfortunately, he didn't come back.
Please, I cannot be found around you. I can't keep staying around you. What if harm gets to me because of all this? Please, take me back to Tanka. I don't want to get hurt. Please take me back to Tanka. I really appreciate our friendship, but I cannot do this with you, please.
I guess it doesn't take so much to know someone, does it? Listen to me. I want you to do a job for me. I want you to help me bring a man to a particular location where he's going to pay me everything that he owes me. I'll pay you 3 million naira for that. Right?
$3 million naira. That's a lot of money to refuse.
You know what? I'll give you the details as soon as we get to a safe place. Alright?
She introduced herself as Alice Ofunwa. She came to see the patient. When I told her that his girlfriend is with him, she left in anger, and I don't know what she's planning.
I don't understand why she would leave in anger. Is she suspecting that someone like Bamaga won't have a woman in his life?
When that lady came in here last night with your boyfriend, she came in with a bag of money. She actually dropped the bag here and asked me to take what I need.
And what is my business with that, if I may ask?
I suspect she's into some funny deals, and I would advise you leave before she comes back.
How much did you take from the said bag of money?
Why would you ask me that?
Because I want to pay her off. Bamaga is my boyfriend and I am not prepared to lose him to any woman that is carrying some bags of money around. I am not!
Good evening.
Good evening, doctor. They gave me the best ambulance and 2 specialist doctors. They're outside. I want to move him to St. Nicholas.
What are you talking about? I am monitoring the patient and he is gradually responding to treatment. How can you move him to another hospital?
I don't actually get it. Is it my Bamaga that she wants to move to another hospital?
Who is this?
Excuse me.
Please, ladies, Comport yourselves.
No, you should be talking to her instead. I brought a patient here and I want to move into another place.
You're actually singing. My Bamaga isn't going anywhere.
Does this thing here know how much I've spent on this patient since last night? Does she?
Oh, for goodness sakes. How much did you spend? How much did you spend on my man? I am willing to pay you here and now.
I was told that you are the best. That's why I came prepared. I know it's all about money. So tell me, how much will it cost me? I have to get settled this year.
Woman, your greatest strength is that you have a wonderful heart. You have a good heart.
Thank you, wise one. Thank you.
What you're asking for is going to be a war between you and another woman. Are you ready for war?
Wise one, just assure me that the man in question is my man. Let me handle with the woman myself.
It's going to happen suddenly. You are going to meet a man at the brink of death. You want to help him. And as you're helping him, he's going to ask you. He's going to tell you that he needs you. And you will know. You will know the way he's going to talk, you will know. The way he's going to talk to you, you will know that he is the man.
But wise one, where do I find this man? Where do I see him?
You roam the streets, right? Keep roaming the streets. And you're going to find a man at the brink of death. You want to help him. You are about helping him. He's dying. You are helping him. And another woman will come. And the woman will ask you questions. She will ask you how much money you as a woman has spent on that man that you want to claim him. You will not have answers, but you must be ready for a fight because it's going to be a very, very long fight.
Wise one, I'm ready. Ready for any war. But how do I automatically make him mine?
You will know when you win the fight. He'll be your man.
Who is this lady?
Her name is Helen. She is his girlfriend. He actually woke up and called her name. He gave me their number. I called them and she came.
Why would you call someone else? I gave you my number to call me as soon as he wakes up. So why would you call her?
I am asking you for the last time, Alex. How much did you spend on my man's treatment? I said I am willing to pay you back right now.
Listen, I'm not just called Alice for nothing. I'm a woman of many sides. Don't provoke me. The man you're claiming is my man. You better back off or I'll put you on the ground. Doctor, are you ready to let me go with my man or you want to face me?
This thing is surely getting messy. I'm going to call the police.
Don't even try it. I want to move him right now.
So, what am I supposed to do with this band?
Grant has told me a lot about you. So I decided to call you over. So I'm gonna say this to you. Please, try not to disappoint him, okay?
So what do you want me to do?
There's a man called Maldini. He wears exactly the same kind of band that you're having now. I need you to find him. Tsunami is going to help you with a tracker that will find his location. I want you to use everything that you have as a woman to find your way into his heart and replace this band with the one on his wrist.
I know Maldini very well.
Oh, really? Tell me all you know about him.
There is a clairvoyance expert by name Otex. He used to live in Cable 4. He actually gave him the wristband. It is called the Gift of Pharaoh, and is supposed to serve as a protective weapon for all men in authority. But you know Maldini, he tried to murder the man just because he was told he's the only person that can destroy the power in the band. But unfortunately for him, Otex survived the attack. He's alive right now. But I'm very certain he's preparing, and he will come back for him. But the main challenge right now is, how do we trace Otex?
I guess we're going to leave that until you return. Replace his wristband with this one. Then you can be sure that the process of eliminating Maldini has commenced.
What? You've been looking at my wristband like you like it.
It's actually a very nice band. But I prefer we talk about what brought us here. The business and money you told me. Of course, you know, that's the only reason I had to leave everything I was to do and followed you.
Right. Can I ask you a very personal question? And I'd like you to give me a very sincere answer. Do you trust me?
You know, I'll be a liar if I tell you I trust you. Come on, I barely even know anything about you, other than Maldini that you told me is your name. But I know I like you a lot. And maybe if you let me in, I'll be able to trust you. So, would you let me know you?
Of course. I already did. That's why I brought you to my place, so you could see where I stay. At least that's for a start.
Okay. So you want to tell me that if I spend the night, you'll be a gentleman and you won't disturb a sleeping lady?
Wow, that's quite tempting, you know, what you just said. All my life, honestly, I've never kept a girlfriend. That's because of I cannot trust women. As a mindset I have, I see them as gold diggers, you know. But then coming to meet you for the first time, and all of the things you told me, how you left that military guy because of the way he brutalizes innocent citizens and all that. You know, I came to the conclusion that you seem different. You seem reserved and principled. So,
Wow. I really do not have any answer for that right now. So this way can I freshen up?
of course, my bedroom. Let's go. You can do anything you want to do there.
What is the fighting all about? I don't know, yeah. It's alright, it's alright. You've got a right to your life, but you ain't got no right to take a life. To think alright, and drop the fight, cause peace is still alive. It's alright. You've got a reason for your fight, but you need to stay alive to get your right. Am I right? The truth must stand the test of time.
One advice. If you want to get a man like Cross, you need an elegant woman that will come with all the charms from the books of Jezebel and that of Queen Sheba. You don't need a guy like me to fight against a man like Cross. No, you don't need it. He's not gay. He has respect for women.
If this whole thing goes through, Crucifixio, I will make you pay. I will make you pay beyond your imagination. Yes.
Hello, what do you want?
Hey, listen up. If this whole thing pulls through, I swear to God, I'm gonna reward you beyond your imagination, beyond what you expect. Okay?
I cannot say I know what you're talking about.
Listen, she's here. The girl that is gonna be the downfall of Crucifixio. The girl that will bring him down, she is here. She is hot, pretty and sexy, and she's ready for the game.
Your primary concern should not be Cross, because Cross is only a mafia that is defending the interest of his family. Cross is a fighter. He's a fighter that fights with physical weapons.
What the hell are you talking about?
You see, your primary concern should be on the Egyptian. The man you murdered. He's alive. And he is coming for you.
I can't say exactly that I know why we are here.
Yeah, I actually came to say thank you for the wristband that you gave to me. At least all the money I have paid is not a waste. I've also confirmed that it truly works.
It's the gift of Pharaoh. It works, that's why I give it to you.
Thank you. But one more thing. I'm a man of action, and I don't like to make mistakes. So I'd like to know exactly what I must avoid, because I don't want to lose the potency of the band.
You must avoid women. Don't mingle with women. When you mingle with women, you'll be at risk. The band doesn't see the danger coming from a woman. If you think back, that great men who have been killed, some of them wore the band, but they couldn't be saved. So avoid women.
Alright? I don't know why you're telling me all this, because you know I'm not into women. I don't like them. You know that.
I know you're not into women, that's why I gave you the band. The band of Pharaoh can only be destroyed by its creator. We monitor the movements of the planets. We know exactly when to destroy, but don't worry, my friend. I cannot destroy what I have created. You're a good man.
Very well then. Thank you very much. It means...
What are you doing? You are pointing your gun at the man Ortex?
Sorry about that.
Is it proper? Take life of another, regardless of the other. My brother, what is the fighting all about? What is the killing all about? How can you take a life?
I don't trust you.
Yeah. From beginning we were family, living in unity. How come right now?
Come, what's the matter with you, Baron? Do you always have to joke about everything? What's the matter with you?
I'm not playing, I'm telling you the truth. That man is coming for you. But it's time you realize that Cross is no longer your problem.
Who's the one feeding you with all these lies, all these stupid things?
Come on, if I were you, I wouldn't be asking such useless questions. Maldini, what were you thinking? What were you thinking? How could you, Maldini? How could you pull the trigger on a character like Otex? What were you thinking? Come on. I need to rest.
Hey, listen, Baron. Hi. Baron? Baron! What the fuck is going on?
What's he talking about?
And I shot that man. I shot him, but then he fell right before me. So how could he have survived? It's not possible. This is complicated.
I have a strong feeling that someone told him that he needs a woman to get that tune. As I speak with you, he has hired me to get that tune.
That's very funny. What makes him think he can get me with a woman?
I am telling you what I know. And please, tell Grant to stop beating me.
So let me say that your line keeps breaking up and he wants to hear everything that you guys are saying.
Tell him to stop rocking my game. I know what I am doing.
I fear for that girl. She's taken the biggest risk of her life. Maldini will kill her the moment he suspects anything.
Well, let's hope she gets the wristband before he gets to her.
Hey, come on. I'm not trying to barge on a lady like that. I thought you were a gentleman. What? What happened?
I don't know. Was that cream?
That cream or what? If I go to him now, his wristband is going to change color. And he's going to run. It means automatically we cannot get him red-handed as we planned. So I want you to go to him and do exactly what you have been told.
This is tough. I mean, I can't believe you are asking me to do this.
Take. This will do the magic. Rub it in any part of your body and force him to inhale it. Once he inhales it, he will begin to cough. He will begin to cough. And once he starts coughing, use the woman in you and make him drink water. Once he drinks water, he is going to fall asleep. That minute, do what you have been told.
Just like that.
Just like that, yes. Start going before he leaves that place. Fast.
Let it not be that you're pushing me to my death. You know, I have never been a spy before. I don't know how you think someone like me can maneuver a character like Maldini.
Why are you underestimating yourself? We hold you in high esteem and that is why we brought you into this business in the first place. Maldini is not as sophisticated as many people think. He is absolutely vulnerable, and I believe you can do this. Believe in yourself. Go there this minute before he leaves that spot. Go. Something I...
Oh my God, just like that. Come on, home. Oh God, what? No, let me get you some water. Oh my God. Doctor, if I decide to come after you, can you stand me? Why play games with me? Did I commit an offense to have brought a patient to you? I'm asking you.
I don't simply understand why you are making a case out of this. The man told me plainly he doesn't know you. He woke up and called his girlfriend by name. I am not a fool not to understand the games you play here.
I beg your pardon. That I, Alice Ofunwa, is playing a game? Doctor, is this what I get by bringing a patient to you and making you richer last night? Tell me!
Yes, it's exactly what you guessed. I don't think I owe you anything anymore. Please leave before they meet me.
I don't understand. Leave before what happens? I'm asking you. Leave before what happens?
Are you the one from Bureau of Public Investigations?
Yes. I was sent by the head of criminal investigation.
Good. She is Alice Ofunwa. She is the one.
What is going on here? Doctor, you called the police?
Madam, you're under arrest for illegal possession of firearms and attempted murder. You have the right to remain silent, and whatever thing you say will be used as an evidence against you in the court of law. Now, move! Move!
What is going on here? I don't deal on firearms. I've never attempted murder in my life. So what the hell are you talking?
With all due respect, madam, move! Or I'll call my boss to move you now.
Doctor, I brought a patient to you. I paid you what you asked me for, to the fullest of it. So tell me, why involve the cops in pure civil matters?
Madam, move, please. Move, let's go.
Wait, just drink some water.
You must avoid women. Don't mingle with women. When you mingle with women, you'll be at risk. The band doesn't see the danger coming from a woman. If you think back, there are great men who have been killed. Some of them wore the band, but they couldn't be saved. So avoid women.
You know what? I regret ever letting you come close to me.
What are you talking about?
Get up. Tell me, who the hell are you? What was that thing you kissed from your neck?
Stop it! You hurt me.
Tell me, who the hell are you? Who are you working for? Answer me! Who are you? Who are you working for? Explain. You think I care about your explanation? So, they sent you to Mad Maldini and you accepted to come. You accepted!
Please, put the gun down. I'll tell you everything you need to know.
Go ahead, I'm listening. You. RC. So, you're confirming to me right now that you know Crucifixio, right?
He's my boss. Listen, the plot against me is very elaborate. But I'm the only person that can help you. You can save me. I'm the only one that can save you. Please.
Nobody can save Maldini.
It's alright, it's alright. You've got a right to your life, but you ain't got a right to the life. I think alright. And drop the fight, cause peace is still alive. It is to your left to get you right. Am I right? The truth must stand the test of time. You've got a right to agitate, but please don't let it aggravate. Out of time. Control your mind. Cause what's the need to instigate a fight that we cannot escape? Open your eyes and see the light, cause heaven cries tonight. Heaven pleads tonight for your sake. Heaven cries tonight. Heaven weeps tonight, for your sake. Heaven cries tonight, Heaven cries tonight, for your sake. Please drop the guns and realize that you can win this fight, my brother and my sister. Cause heaven cries tonight, Heaven cries tonight,
I'm sorry to say this, Gladys. You are simply not learning fast.
Ben, I'm sorry. But seriously, must you say that to my face? This is only the 3rd day of my learning. Were you expecting me to know how to drive in just 3 days?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? I used to have a girl named Franca. I brought her to this road only once. And finally she was the one that drove us home that same day. She was outstanding. So I expected you to show that kind of maturity. What's the matter with you? Why that look?
Who is this Franca that gave you this kind of birthday card?
Don't tell me it's because of this junk you are working yourself.
Don't ever call it a junk, because I know exactly what you're up to. Who is Franca?
I'm going to tell you the truth. Franca is nobody. She's just a desperate girl that fell in love with me and decided to lavish me with all the gifts in the world. The fact is that I never dated her because I just cannot date her. Serious. And that is it.
Really?
Yeah.
Ben. Ben. Do you know how much I hate you right now? Ben, you're such a stupid and dull liar. You can't even remember what you said before.
You are calling me a liar to my face. What kind of a woman are you?
Do you remember what you said the day I confronted you with the card about this same Franca? Huh? You told me she was a desperate girl that was just coming after you. Ben, today you just confirmed she's your girlfriend. And that you've brought her to this road to teach her how to drive. Ben!
Come on, Gladys. Be civilized. Why are you reading unnecessary meaning into a very simple thing?
Huh. Do you know who you are? You are such a douchebag. Get lost. Nonsense.
No, Gladys.
Get out!
No, Gladys, you just need to listen to me.
I'm sorry.
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, lie down, lie down, give me the glass, give me the glass. Enter the car, enter the car. Go inside.
My God! My God! My God!
Calm down. I don't know precisely what is happening, but
I think her boyfriend is in trouble and she needs your help.
Boyfriend? You see what I'm saying? Are we supposed to be talking about boyfriend at a time like this? Are we?
Sorry, Cross. It's not like I'm talking about my boyfriend like I don't understand that Silas was buried today. I'm not. The issue here is the woman that assisted him to the hospital came and she's trying to make claims on Bamaga.
Claim? How?
She says he's her man, like Bamaga is her boyfriend.
You see? You see what I'm saying? Am I not vindicated? Am I not?
That is not the point. It's not the point.
What point are you talking about? What points am I missing? Why is it so hard for you to understand that our family is at war? Why can't you just get into your head that this guy is no good for you? He is going to ruin your life.
Because that woman is an impostor. She's an impostor. See, listen to me. Mamaga doesn't know her from anywhere. She's just making all of that up. He doesn't know her.
You know, I am not going to sit here and listen to your crap.
Please listen to me.
Please, tell me you have good news for me. Tell me that you have that bastard on chains and then tell me your location.
The ideal thing right now is for you to rephrase your order. I have to gun down this man. I see no sense bringing him alive, as you instructed.
What is wrong with you? Don't force me to go and look for another hitman elsewhere. Are you saying that you cannot bring Maldini under control?
What's your problem, sir? You talk too much lately.
What? You killed Maldini already?
Bianca is dead.
I beg your pardon.
I'm telling you what happened. That idiot, that son of a gunner, pumped nothing less than 20 bullets into Bianca. As I'm talking to you, Cross, Bianca is gone. I'm just coming out of the mortuary. The same mortuary where I deposited Maputo. Cross, we are losing men. We are losing personnel. The ideal thing is for me to gun this guy down. I don't know why you need him alive.
Oh my God. Oh goodness. How many people is he going to kill? How many?
I'm sorry, sir, but you're not helping us here. Was that Grant that just called you? What did he say and who died?
I think I have to do this myself.
Go to what yourself? Sir, you asked me to trust you and I already did. So tell me what is going on.
That innocent girl is dead.
What? Bianca is dead? Oh dear God.
Who is Bianca?
Now both of you listen to me. You both are coming with me. We must end this thing tonight.
Who is Bianca?
Quick one. Holla at the hater. You're the reason how I know I'm greater. I would natural.
Why are you calling this line? Do you realize I'm not at home? What do you mean by that? You think I'm lying?
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, what's up? You know, actually, the thing did not happen the way you were saying it. You know, what actually happened was
Don't try that in here, man. Don't get people killed smoking publicly. Look for somewhere outside this place. Kill yourself alone. And not here.
You think you can fucking fuck with me, right? Why did you give him that sign?
Please, Jerry. Please don't do this, I beg of you. I knew the guy would die if he drinks the poisoned wine. I decided to save a soul.
Just because you needed to save a soul, that was why you let my enemy go. You know what? You are a fool.
I am sorry. He had to go. If I didn't kill him, you would have been dead by now. You saved my life. So, I had the opportunity to save yours too. Now you can go. Wait. You don't know me. And I don't know you.
This chick here will play the bait. The first one was a flop.
No. She can't play the risky game. Why? She's a soulmate. She once saved my life. For that reason, she's off the hangman's rope.
Man, fuck all that bullshit, man. Save that story for the gods. She's okay for the game. What are you talking about?
Who owns that car?
It's a neighbor's. He was teaching me how to drive.
Get rid of that car and come back so we discuss. We have a lot to talk about.
Alright, I'll do that. But before I come back, make sure you tell her everything she needs to know. Okay?
I can't believe this. What are we going to do now?
Uncle, I don't know. This is why I came to you. Because you are the only one that can help me now. Her father will kill me if I go tell him that his daughter has been kidnapped.
What I can make out of this is that you are not man enough.
I'm sorry, Uncle, but I don't understand why you would say that.
You just said that one man kidnapped your lady before your face.
Uncle, what are you talking about? He was armed.
Answer what? Answer what? Just one man came and took your lady away. And you allowed it. And you call yourself a man. No, you are not a man. You are not a man.
She's calling. Yeah, hello?
I'm calling to inform you that I'm fine.
What are you talking about? You are talking as if someone is pointing a gun to your head.
Duh. No one is pointing any gun to my head. Ben, just go back to your place and note that I'm fine. Okay?
Have you forgotten you were kidnapped right before me? And you are telling me that you are okay?
You may be right to say that I was kidnapped.
As I'm talking to you now, I am fine, Ben.
Listen, don't go telling my father that I was kidnapped. No. Okay? I mean it, Ben. I mean it. I am fine.
Where are you as you speak?
You don't need to know about my location. I am fine from where I'm calling you from. And then if you're so concerned, why don't you call Franca? She would be of help, you know. Goodbye.
Hello? Hello? Uncle, I don't understand what is going on. She just said she's okay. And she was kidnapped right before me. The most fact is that she will spend the night there.
I am disappointed to realize that you have no brains. You don't have brains. Your girlfriend played a fast one on you with her boyfriend and made away with your car. Instead of thinking of your car, you are thinking of bad again. Go after your car. Get out now. Out of this place.
Get lost. Nonsense.
No, Gladys.
Get out!
No, Gladys, you just need to listen to me.
Get down, get down, get down, get out, get out, get out, give me the bus, give me the bus, enter the car, go inside. You are still asking nonsense. Asking nonsense question then. Go after your car, forget that girl. Out of this place before I lose it. Hello? Hello?
I will be disappointed if you have joined them.
What are you talking about? Join which people?
Don't pretend, alright? Don't act like you don't know what I'm talking about because you know. Have you joined them?
Listen to me, Franca. I don't know how you got to know about this. I've not joined any group of people. I was trying to help her and the criminal attack. I still don't understand what is going on.
You're surely confusing me. What are you trying to say?
You know what, Franca? I'm going to call you back. She just called me to make me understand that she's okay. So I'm no longer talking about her. Right now, I'm just thinking about my car.
Your car? But your car is here.
Where? My car, where?
It's right where I'm standing now. I actually thought you had joined the bad boys to go smoke in their hand in the bush.
Please, can you just describe the place you are?
Just drive towards Cable 4. You're going to see me by the road. I'm standing there.
I am a professional. I start making promises when I know what is expected of me. You are the boss. I respect you a whole lot. So tell me, what do you want from me?
I'm going to pay you 10 million naira to do exactly what I want you to do.
I kill people only in self-defense. I don't kill people recklessly anymore.
I am not into the business of killing people. I like to make people use their heads. Meet me in the VIP bar of the Cardinal Court Resort in 40 minutes.
Can you brief me exactly what you want me to do?
I know you as a man of things. Please, come along. We have a lot to discuss.
I'll be there.
No man is a superman. I want you to remember that. Every man is a destructible. Yeah. One way or another. Yeah. Is it proper? Take life of another, regardless of the other.
My son,
Madini.
What the fuck are you talking about? I can't hear you. Can you talk louder, please? You can't even let a young man like me enjoy his life. What's your problem?
Please call me back in the morning. I'm in a church praying.
You know, you are the only bitch that goes to church. Huh? And by the way, what makes you think that you can get God to forgive you?
Every day, I pray for God to melt your heart. Martini, you are going insane. And you are the only one who can call yourself to order. No matter your sin, God can still forgive you.
You know, I actually thought that you were the one that sent those men after me. But now I know you know nothing about it, you know. And you listen. I don't give a fuck about your religiosity. You are not in any way qualified to talk to me about God. Okay?
Hold it right there, Madini, and realize that you are talking to your mother. Why are you destroying yourself?
My mother? Did you say my mother? What the fuck is wrong with you, huh? What the fuck is wrong with you? Get the fuck out of here, man. Get out! What did you say? Did you say my mother? Listen. My name is Maldini the X. A bastard. Because the bitch that gave birth to me doesn't even know who fucked her to conceive me. Did you hear me? You better keep praying for your sins to be forgiven. But let me tell you something. Even if in any way, you know, you manage to get God to forgive you, I swear to God, I, Martin the X, will never, I will never forgive you. Do you hear me?
There is no better time to walk your way back to God. He is a merciful God. He is calling you to God.
Oh, really? Really? Get the fuck off my phone. Such a small ass, man. Hey,
Let go of me. Can I help you, sir?
Hey, relax. My name is Maldini. Tell me what it will cost me to have you in my bed tonight.
I am not the kind of lady that any man can have. Now you go and thank your stars that I am in my best of moods. I would have had you jailed. Just so you know, next time, if you want to be in the act of grabbing a lady's hand, you should think twice and choose wisely. You know why? Not all ladies are men ladies.
Oh,
Or if you would excuse me.
they call me the Mad Maldini. Because I can go mad anytime, you know. I make things happen everywhere I go. Hey, listen. I'm sorry for my approach. It might have been wrong. But I just want to make your night beautiful. How about giving you $1,000 just to have you in my bed tonight? Hmm?
You know, I will go into the world and come back. And when I do, I will give you another chance to approach me, and this time, address me properly.
Really?
Like a lady. Can you do me a favor, would you? At my butt while I walk.
Get the fuck out. That doesn't really count, man.
Did you say something? I'm sure.
I know she's hungry for once. Hey, make sure you don't come back here again, okay? Get the fuck out with your little ass.
This is the first time I'm coming to a hotel with them.
What the fuck are you trying to prove? Are you are some kind of decent girl or what? All of that is bullshit to me. Okay? Give me your hand.
You know what? I'm gonna screw your brains out tonight.
Really?
Yeah.
You sure about what you just said?
Shit. Stop it!
What? What is it?
I need to get paid first.
That's more like it. So, what was all that pretense for? Huh? Why were you trying to preach to me about all that bullshit you were saying up there? I got your money here. I told you that I pay well. You're gonna pay me your money. It's not a problem. $1,000, right?
Yeah.
Listen, maybe she has to put it here.
You know, whatever.
You got it. So, you mind if we get down to business?
I know I'm the one who owes you now, and you will cry like a baby. Get out.
Hey, come on here.
Wow.
It's your money I'm waiting, baby girl. Come on.
My hair. You like it? Come.
Of course.
Look at it. You like it?
Of course.
Say you like it.
Yes, come on. Why don't you just go ahead and give me the VJ, baby? Oh. From the long ones. Okay. What the fuck is wrong with you, Baron? You came to your place and you dismissed me and went in with a woman that brought you from business. Why are you calling me now?
You're sounding as if you're not coming back here.
Coming back to what?
Are you not the one I told that we have something very important to discuss? It borders on your life and future, and you cannot afford to play the fool tonight.
Oh, I see. So you are indirectly calling me a fool now, right? Listen to me, asshole. I am not ready to listen to you, stupid,
Useless call tonight. So get the hell out.
Benny, hold on.
Hold it for what?
You know you're nothing without me. Now call this phone and get the hell off my phone.
Hey, what are you still doing there? Can I take you home?
Baron, you really want me to leave?
Not that I really want you to leave, but you see, my main boss just called me for a meeting and I can't go there with a woman.
I can wait for you. I mean, don't you trust me?
Trust. You see, I think it goes beyond trust. I think that's a habit. See, I'm not in a habit of leaving my place for a woman. And I sure will not start it now. Yeah. You saved my life once. And I saved yours too. Yeah. So, you know, you will leave. We will meet and do what we have to do.
Baron, you are such a nice man. And I will be available for you anytime you need me.
I sure will not forget that in a hurry.
Excuse me.
You know what your greatest problem is? You're not a coordinated liar.
I can't believe this. You are calling me a liar to my face?
Yes! For you to know how terribly disappointed I am with you. Ben, I know exactly what is going on. Yes, I do. Listen, the moment you walk out of this place, just know we are putting an end to this so-called relationship of ours.
Franca, please, can you just listen to me, please? Do you ever understand what you are doing? You are walking out on me because of someone you don't even know.
Oh, Ben, come on. I am not walking out on you because of anybody. I'm walking out on you because of the kind of childish lies that emits from your mouth. Seriously? I regret ever having anything with you. I regret ever giving you myself.
Franca, do you remember the lovely card you sent to me on my birthday? You called me your love. And you said no knife can cut our love. Why now you are the one cutting the love yourself?
I am halting that so-called love. Because I have realized that I loved the wrong man. You know what, Ben? Just get out. Go away, leave me alone. Get off my path before I fall out with you. Just get out. Go!
Franca, please. Franca.
How did it go?
Is this what you're looking for?
I like this. How were you able to do it?
With mercy, everything, so help me God, is possible. You know, you didn't want me to kill him. I would have finished him just last night. And if you so need him, you could go to his hotel right now and you will arrest him. Yes.
Exactly how I used to think. But Crucifixio opened my eyes last night. Now I know we don't need to kill him because we need to arrest him alive. And we are not going to take him in a hotel. There are some documents he has to sign for us and we are working towards that.
When you need anything, just call me.
and I'll be anywhere you want.
I like it. I'm going to call you in the evening because we need to see you tonight.
And all my lines will be up for business.
My smooth operator. I like it.
No man is a superman. I want you to remember that. Every man is destructible. Yeah. One way or another. Yeah. Is it proper? Take life of another, regardless of the other. My brother, what is the fighting all about? What is the killing all about? How can you take a life you cannot live? Yeah. From beginning we were family, living in unity. How come right now the guns are talking louder than our voices? Violent is destruction, but peace is duty.
Mercy! Mercy! Fuck! What the fuck? Shit, I messed it up!
You must avoid women. Don't mingle with women. When you mingle with women, you'll be at risk. The band doesn't see the danger coming from a woman. If you think back, there are great men who have been killed. Some of them wore the band, but they couldn't be saved. So avoid women.
Oh, shit. Ah! Fuck is going on? Where is everything? Where is that? Fuck is everything? Where the fuck is everything?
So apart from the fact I told you to come from Portugal, is that why you concluded that Nigerian business?
Maldini, I know you trust me when it comes to business. Are you not tired of this your talk life? Are you not tired? Come on, man, you need to meet this man and start something legal.
Wow. You know one thing is, start hating them, you start preaching to them, because they start preaching and they want to dupe you. God, stop this. Demonic religious shit.
Maldini, why do you have such a stone heart?
Hey, you know what? Please, I will concentrate on you. So, let's forget about it till we meet them. Sorry, Jones. Now you believe that bullshit about my father being a bitch? Come on, man, that bitch doesn't even know who's the person that impregnated her. Anyway, I'll deal with it once I'm done.
If you don't stop calling your mom such names, I will take you to those men.
Are you threatening me or what? See, you don't know the amount of what she's done. That's why you're defending her. Huh? Yeah, just so you're not one of those who's trying to chase her around and wait. Listen! Open the door! Open the fucking door now! Enter! Mercy!
I am sorry, sir, but I cannot allow you in without the guest's permission. I suggest you should just wait till she responds to the call. It's the hotel policy, sir.
What bloody policy are you talking about? Huh? Do you realize what you're doing? You're protecting a criminal who stole my properties last night. Valuable properties. Open that door right now.
I suggest you speak to my manager. He is the only one who can help you.
And who the hell is the fucking manager? Where is he? Where the fuck is the girl?
Are you asking me? We came here for business and we're here chasing shadows.
Baron, we're talking about my wristband here. That's what we're talking about.
Your wristband? Is your wristband more important than the business we just neglected?
Crying out loud.
Can I lock my door, please?
Excuse me? What the fuck did you just say?
Implying that your supposed thief is not here. At least, can I lock my door?
I beg your pardon? Do you know who the fuck I am?
Just calm down.
Huh? What are you saying? You're talking to me?
Calm down.
Count yourself lucky today. And Baron, what the fuck is this? What's the meaning of this? You brought me to an empty place like this to wait for some stupid Portuguese? What the fuck is happening?
Maldini, you know me as Baron, the merciless fighter from Umurim. What you don't know is that I am a Christian from the Pentecostal stock. And you don't know.
Oh. This is not happening, right? No, it's not happening. It's not happening at all. The fuck? So, you brought me here just to discuss your Christian faith? What the fuck is my business with your Christianity? This is crazy. It's all crazy, man. Well, here we are. The chairs are empty. You got a projector there. Why don't you just call for the congregation and let them come, and then you become their pastor? After all, you've been preaching to me all this while. So what the fuck is wrong with you?
Yes, I am a preacher man, Maldini. And I asked you why you're up against the Onanefi family, but you refuse to speak. I brought you here to show you something. Something very important. You have the guts to murder a pastor and hire my services to fight for you, Maldini.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Baron, Baron, Baron.
That's my name.
Baron. So Finally they have hired you to come after my cleaning. They've hired you to come after me. Yes, and you accepted. No wonder you refused to lend me your gun. Now I can understand. But you know what, Baron? Maldini the X is not a fool. I am too much of a man to be killed like a chicken. That's one thing you don't know.
How could you betray me?
He was a pastor par excellence. Why did you kill him? I will ask you for the last time. Why did you murder my brother?
Kiss my ass.
Is that right? Tsunami? I believe you know this young man here.
Elvis!
Daddy.
Don't move. Oh, this is very touchy. Father and son reunion. Snowy?
Listen to me. What the fuck are you doing with my boy? And how did you bring him here?
I am going to make this easy for you. You will sign this document. You sign it, and then I'll take your son back to the UK where he was brought in last night with a chartered flight. Everything has been arranged.
Listen to me, Cross. You leave my boy out of this. It is me you want. He's just a boy.
See? That's my point. That is exactly my point. He was just a pastor. He did nothing to you, but you murdered him in cold blood. Now, you sign this document, and I'll let you walk.
Thank you.
Mr. Maldini, I'm going to let you walk. I will let your conscience judge you. But if you ever come after the Onanefe family in the future, I will hunt you. And I will touch the center of your existence where it will pain you the most. Goodbye. Let's go.
It's alright. You've got a right to your life, but you ain't gonna right it to the life. To think alright and drop the fight, cause peace is still alive.